Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. With exams just around the corner, I thought it would be helpful to share my top 5 study tips that are backed by science. Whether you're a high school student or a university student, these tips can help you improve your grades and reduce stress. First up, we have active recall. This study technique involves actively trying to retrieve information from memory. You can do this through techniques such as flashcards, self-testing, and summarizing information without looking at your notes. Studies have shown that active recall is more effective than passive techniques like rereading notes. Next, we have spaced repetition. This technique involves reviewing information at increasing intervals. This helps to solidify information in your long-term memory. You can use apps like Anki or SuperMemo to implement spaced repetition into your study routine. Tip number 3 is time management. Effective time management is crucial for successful studying. Break down your study tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and create a schedule that works for you. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and avoid procrastination. My 4th tip is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle can significantly improve your cognitive function and overall well-being. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and exercising regularly. These factors can have a major impact on your ability to focus and retain information. And finally, tip number 5 is to find your ideal study environment. Everyone has different preferences when it comes to their study environment. Experiment with different locations, lighting, and noise levels to find what works best for you. Some people prefer quiet libraries, while others prefer studying with background music or in a coffee shop. I hope these tips help you achieve your academic goals. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to studying. Implement these tips into your daily routine and you'll be well on your way to success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.